Hello, I'm Tyler. My dog is Dozer. He is a pit bull. He's the best dog in the world. He's had multiple surgeries because he can't stop eating things he's not supposed to.
I have a Wheaten Terrier. He's like 5 years old, and he's my baby. His name is Yoki. And then I also have another dog. She's a mutt, and she has one eye. And her name is Maggie. And that's my babies.
Hi, my name is Mira. I have a 11-year-old bearded dragon named Leon, and he is the cutest thing you've ever did see. He's super like squishy, and he turns yellow when he's warm, like he turns lighter. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ryan Preeb, and I have 2 cats. One of them is named Tiger, the other one is Jingle. Jingle had a sister, but then her sister got hit by a car, so we only have Jingle. So, and then Tiger's fat and slow and really dumb. She runs into the walls sometimes.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mr. Lardy. This is my cat, Archer. Archer just turned 2 years old. He's all white, as you can see. A fun fact about him is that he can't hear, so he's deaf, which is, I guess, not that fun. But he is super playful, and it doesn't really bother him. He lives a very happy life, mostly attacking. So he's doing great. Don't feel bad for him.
My dog's name is Bandit. He's a golden retriever, and he managed to eat a whole crock pot liner bag and get it all the way through.
Hi, my name is Kristen. I have one cat. His name is Logan. Fun fact about him is we found him in my backyard when he was only 4 weeks old, and he can sit and shake like a dog.
Hi, my name is Emma Fink, and I'm a sophomore, and I have 5 pets. I have 3 cows. They're all very fat, kind of mean. One headbutted me the other day. It wasn't great. And I have a cat. He's also fat. His name is Bosco, and he likes killing mice, leaving them on my pillow. And I have a dog named Sasha. She is very happy-go-lucky, and she loves chasing birds.